The explosion code is PS13377 and then 666. Oh, please prepare for reactor explosion. It's just basically the self-destruct system. It's not gonna work. It's just gonna instantly blow up everything. The facility. Mainframe accessed. Give me a nuke, I already know. Oh, SBS nuke. SBS nuke. The airlock closed. The airlock. Uh-oh. I gotta leave.
Today's security code is
PS1337666. This one for. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, apparently that's the wrong way. I gotta leave the facility. Oh no! Oh no! The core thing is about to destroy. The entire facility is about to blow up because I put in the oh no. I'm embedded into the ceiling. I'm embedded into the ceiling. Oh no. I'm embedded into the ceiling. Super KTCC Security 23 joined you. Uh-oh. Oh no. Uh-oh. Oh baby, it didn't play or need Okay, that's what happens when you put PS1337666. Anyways, goodbye.